I am not happy with this look. I should not have even tried to film today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a shop my stash using products that I have not looked at or even tried that I've had for a really long time. There are so many makeup products that I own that I've purchased like while I was working at Sephora that I have literally never used, and that's ridiculous. That just should never be happening. So I decided to go through some of those products, pick out a full face, and put it on for you guys. So this is the look I came up with. Since I'm doing absolutely nothing, I decided to play with some color again, did another cut crease. I feel like it went better this time. Honestly, I was in a bad way at the beginning of this video, so my eyes don't look completely great, but I have a twinge in my neck from doing those stupid soft curls with a robe belt, and didn't even work. These are curls that I put in afterwards because that just did not work for me. So let's get into it. I'm still trying to figure out my new camera and everything, so if the lighting is weird or focus is weird, like, I'm sorry, I'm still trying to figure it out. So I am going to start with my Makeup Forever Eye, and it's like the Everything Primer, but I'm using it for my eyes. This is one product that I don't have a duplicate of, or like something new to try. Okay, this time I'm gonna set it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. It came shattered when I got it, so I had to fix this color right here. I'm gonna start with the shade Motto on like a bullet brush. So I had to change my little filming setup here temporarily because my husband took over my normal filming area because he's working from home. And this is kind of hard because the camera's like above me, and so it's really hard to catch what I'm filming, especially with my stupid neck. I'm just gonna keep deepening that up. Okay, I'm gonna blend that out with Miles High. Okay, I'm gonna take another bullet brush, and I'm going to take, I think I wanna take Morning Glory, the shade that I shattered over here, and just blend it in between the purple and like the middle part of my crease. Oh, this shade just like does not work. I am not happy with this look. I should not have even tried to film today. I'm gonna go back and try to fix up my purple a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take one last bullet brush with the shade Mental and do that on the inner corner. I'm gonna clean off that brush really quick, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade Manchester, which is the yellow shade, and I'm going to blend out that orange and the pink a little bit with the yellow. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of black to the pink, or to the purple on the corner. Make it look like it was supposed to be that way. And we'll clean up those outer corners. That purple is just not blending the way I wanted it to. Okay, so battery died, and then I had my last seminar for student teaching, so I just took a break. I haven't done anything else, but I am going to cut my crease. I think I'm gonna use a foundation actually, because I don't have a concealer that's the thickness that I want. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the IT Cosmetics CC cream to cut my crease actually. Yeah, I'm gonna use the shade Master, if I can get it in frame. The shade Master, all over my lid. So far, I'm really loving how these shades blend. I don't know how I love this look as a general rule, but we're just messing around, aren't we? I'm gonna use Becca Champagne Pop on my brow bone. Okay, I'm going to do my winged liner. Okay, something else that I just barely added to my stash are the Ardell Wispy lashes. This was a recommendation that I got from Desi Perkins. I'm gonna put on a quick layer of mascara. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. So I really liked that Mitchell palette. Blends super easily and the pigmentation is insane, out of this world. I didn't do the best job, but like my neck seriously is killing me, so we're like not gonna pay attention to it, alright? Some days I seriously just suck so bad at putting on lashes. Alright, opinion on these lashes. I like them a lot. They're very fluffy. So the primer that I wanted to try with you guys today, hopefully it doesn't break me out, is the Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. I actually just got this. So the Cover FX foundation, oh wow. I really hope this doesn't break me out because it feels really good on the skin. It feels like a cooling moisturizer. Wow. That is a heck yes from me. A little while ago, I tried the Hydrating Professional and it felt good on the skin, but it totally broke me out. Anyways, so this broke me out, so that is a no from moi. And I don't have a foundation to show you guys today because you guys know that I just kind of stick with what I know. So we're using the Becca Skin Love Foundation. And the concealer that I'm going to use is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. And after we put some powder on, we will figure out the lower lash line situation. This concealer blends out so easily. Alright, the powder that I want to try today is from the Be Light palette by Becca. I've had this for a while in my collection. I just have never used it. I'm going to use this light one underneath my eyes and this slightly darker one for the rest of my face. They kind of remind me of the ambient lighting powders by Hourglass, but just like a very way less expensive version of them. Okay, I am not hating the finish that that gave. I'm gonna highlight in between on my T-zone. And we'll use the darker one everywhere else. All right, I feel like the darker one might be a little bit too dark for me. It gave like a soft matte finish. So the bronzer that I brought down is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Luminous Bronze Light. Looks like this. I'm just gonna use like a fluffy brush. Ooh, it's powdery. Wow, that gave like a really nice natural. Let's take it all the way down my neck. Wow, I like that a lot. I really like how easy it was to blend that bronzer into the skin and just gave a really subtle contour. I dig that a lot. For blush, my Narcissist the Wanted One cheek palette. I have used this one before, but I haven't used it in a long time. I am feeling like this shade right here. Kind of like a peachy shade. Haven't worn makeup in several weeks, and what this is telling me is I desperately need to exfoliate my skin. And I am going to use a highlighter from this Narcissist palette as well. Just this top corner shade. I'm going to use that as a highlight. on my brow bone, or like the tops of my brows, I guess. Down the nose. Ooh, that nailed the look for me. Much better. Okay, let's work on the lower lash line for a second. Back to the Mitchell palette. I think I'm going to use a little bit of the yellow on the inner part of the lower lash line. Yeah. I'm gonna take the orangey red shade, the mental shade, sorry, on the center. Blend those together. I'm just using the same brush, and then I'm gonna use the pink, the Morning Glory, on the very edge. And then I'm gonna use a slightly clean brush just to blend those out a little bit. Okay, so that's where we're at with the lashes. I'm going to put some mascara on the bottom lashes. What did I use to highlight my brow? I already do not remember. No, legitimately, what did I use? How do I not remember? Oh, it was Opal from, or no, Champagne Pop. And this palette is the Becca Pop Goes the Glow Champagne Pop Face and Eye Palette from Becca. That's where I'm getting my Champagne Pop, but you can get Champagne Pop. And I'm going to use that on El inner corner. And last thing is lips. I picked out a couple of lip colors that I have not been using for a long time. I know that I have used this lipstick a couple times, but I honestly don't really remember what it looks like on me. So the lip liner that I'm gonna use is Urban Decay Naked. Hello, is this even showing up? It's showing up, it's just the exact same color of my lips. Beneficial for overlining because it literally looks like your lips. This is the Too Faced Pout About It lipstick, and this is from their like natural lips collection. So we're gonna put this on. I love that color. I knew I liked this color, but I didn't know how much. I'm gonna add a gloss because I feel like it. I love this gloss. I haven't used it for a really long time. That's why I pulled it. This is the Becca and Chrissy Teigen Glow Gloss in Malibu Soleil. And that's it! For as irritated and as in much pain as I was for the first part of this makeup tutorial, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. It's a little messy on the eyes, but we cover it up with some lashes and then you can't see. And my second ever true cut crease went a lot better. Definitely used a tackier consistency with the foundation to cut the crease, and I think that helped a ton. So since this was kind of a discombobulated video, I will leave a list of all the products that I use down below in case I forgot to mention anything. Hopefully I will get back in my normal filming spot soon, or else I'm gonna have to figure out something different where I can like sit on a chair with a back where I can like be closer to like the level of the camera, because like looking up at you guys is so not ideal. Hopefully this turned out okay though. I pray. All of these products that I used, I really liked. I like this idea of shopping my stash. I think this will become a thing on my channel, is just frequently going around picking out some things that I haven't used for a long time and reusing them. I enjoyed this. Hopefully you guys did too. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.